Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to customize invoices in QuickBooks. If your invoices look basic or inconsistent, it can affect how professional your business appears and even how quickly you get paid. Customizing your invoices in QuickBooks allows you to match your brand, include the right details, and create a smoother experience for your clients. Start by opening QuickBooks and logging into your account. At the top left corner, click on Create. Then select Invoice. This opens a new invoice. Once the invoice loads, go to the top right corner and click Manage. From the drop-down, select Customization. This section matters because this is where you control what appears on your invoice. Inside Customization, you'll see options to show or hide fields and enable or disable sections. You control how detailed or simple your invoice is. After making changes, QuickBooks may show errors or missing fields. For example, required fields not filled and error messages popping out. Why this happens? When you enable new fields, QuickBooks expects data for them. So you'll need to fill in required details and adjust the invoice accordingly. Now go to Design. Here you can select a template layout. You can adjust color to match your brand and the font to make it readable and professional. Once you're done customizing, click Save. Using QuickBooks properly helps you create invoices that look professional and get paid faster. To summarize, customizing invoices in QuickBooks involves creating an invoice, opening the Manage section, accessing customization, adjusting fields and settings, fixing any required errors, customizing the design, and saving your changes. This ensures your invoices are both functional and professional. And that's how to customize invoices in QuickBooks. This is one of those small upgrades that makes a big difference in how your business is perceived. A clean, well-structured invoice doesn't just look good, it communicates clearly and builds trust. Don't over-design it. Focus on clarity, accuracy, and consistency. Set it up once, and every invoice you send after that becomes easier and more professional. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.